Hey everybody, Gears here, and here is the prize. It's got a few scratches and definitely a huge nick right there that goes all the way down to the metal. I had thought I saw, there we go, just the slightest bit of rust, so I'm going to have to deal with that right there. However, it's far better than the current problem I have, which is that right there. Those who've already seen these videos know that I cut this out of an old one from a junkyard, and the price to get this stitched into there like that, $800. Last Labor Day, I bought this white door, figuring yellow is a very rare color and I'll never find one. That was a Labor Day special, half price, so it was only like $35, $40 for the shell. In this case, I got just about the full door, which includes the window and the insides, and all the wiring harness. That was $100 and $17 out the door, I think, total. That's the only thing I got done this week. So in the entire past week, nothing. Even though you folks, oh, how's it doing today? Ooh. Just about 90, so it's just about too hot for the paint today. Wow. And it's only supposed to be like 70 something out. What's going on over here? This is a dome loaned to me for the moment. It's a placeholder for a BB body. And with just a little riser underneath this, it'll make a good display stand for a BB. Not that I'm going to be building one. However, anyone interested in these, they might be. So when my current mold gives out, maybe 10 or 15 castings, the next version of this, I'll add a little bit of a riser at the bottom, so that way this will naturally hold a BB dome. But I think putting an R2 dome in there is just a little bit taller, so I got to see about that. Other than that, over here, this still has a lot of cleanup to do. I have to rekey the clay and go through and get rid of all this last little bit of debris and gel coat that's still on here as best I can. I'm going to wax over as much gel coat along the upper lip here. But all of this, I got to get pretty good. Get rid of that crap right there. Otherwise, that's it. I'm a little disappointed that I haven't gotten anything done in the past week, but at the same time, that's the way things go. And this week will hopefully be better. So at just over 3 minutes, I guess we'll call it here. Thanks for watching. See ya.